Hi, my name is Santa Kevin Mubanwa from EMS 6 ERT department. Today, we're going to talk about what happened from day 5 to day 9. Now, all of them have one thing in common: general meeting and ergonomic exercises. In general meeting, though it was supposed to be 9:30 a.m., but Engineer Malijan moved it to 1 or 8. In general meeting, we mostly talk about all we did was answer and ask questions, mostly about group tasks and updates of leaders in each department. Here are the tasks, or rather group tasks, that we have to do from day 5 to now: the team building, memorandum, summer proposal, and the poster now, the current task poster. And in individual tasks, there's two: videos and files. We're going to talk about the videos first. For the videos, we made testimonial video that has two questions, 2-minute video that have three questions, video status report from day 5 to day 8, and in day 9, which is right now, we need to compile or gather what happened from day 5 to now. Last is 1-minute videos. It's a 1-minute video of parents of the students commenting about what they noticed about the learner's behavior change during immersion. And for files, we just need to make a status report. Um, we actually have to make two narrative reports. It's for our school and for the chaotic. And last is accomplishment report.